In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to just create a simple airplane and introduce editing mode, object mode, and extruding here. So what we're going to end up creating is something like a simple airplane like this. So I'm going to go ahead and File, New, and go to General just to open up. And I'm going to work with this box here. So the first thing is zoom in and zoom out. That's your scroller wheel. If you hold down on your scroller wheel, that lets you basically tumble, and if you hold down shift and move that around, that lets you pan. So I need to manipulate this cube. I'm going to go to edit mode, and so I'm in object to go to edit mode. That's where you do all of your work. And then up here you have three options, so vertex, edge mode, and then I'm going to use face mode. So to build this, I'm just going to left mouse select and just press E and let go, and then just click out. E to extrude, and then left mouse click. E to extrude. E, so you select it, left mouse click, and then E to extrude. So now I've got my basic shape. To do two things at the same time, so I want to do these wings, so I'm going to click on one face, and if you hold down shift, it lets you select two or more. And if I press E, it doesn't do what I want it to do. So Command Z to undo, or Control Z on a PC. So instead of trying that, I have to right mouse click and go to Extrude Individual Faces, and that will pull those out at the same time. So I'll do that one more time. Right mouse click, Extrude Individual Faces is what I'm clicking to do. And then I've got kind of that basic shape. So once you get your basic shape, then it's time to kind of play a little bit with the curvature. And usually you do that, you go into edge mode here, and from there I can come in and select just an edge, and instead of extruding, I'm just going to use this move tool, and I'll go ahead and just kind of add a little bit of curvature. So I can grab the front end here and just kind of pull that in if I wanted to. And just kind of start to shape that to the best of my ability. So if I want to select two edges at the same time, so I'm holding down shift, and then I can pull that down and then pull that up. And that's just some basics of creating an airplane.